Welcome to AppStarBus. In this video, I will show you how to stop apps and Android phone tracking your activity and stop it listening to you. By default, Android and some apps listen to you and track all of your activity, searches, and location. Here is how you can stop all that and keep your life private. To do that, go to Settings, scroll down, select Google, select All Services tab at the top. Scroll down to Privacy and Security section. Select Personalize using shared data. You are sharing this data with Google that is not essential to use your phone. It includes your Gmail, external media, and your device contacts. You can turn it off. Go back. Select Usage and Diagnostics. Here you are sending your app usage data to Google. You can turn it off. Then from the same screen, select Ads. Scroll down. If you're saying something out loud and your phone is listening on you, if you're typing in something, searching for something, or sending messages, this setting is tracking you to serve you relevant ads. To stop this tracking activity, tap on Reset Advertising ID to reset previously gathered information about you. Tap Confirm, then tap Delete Advertising ID so that there is no associated ID to track your activity further. Press Delete Advertising ID button. Then go to Phone Settings again. Select Security and Privacy. Tap Privacy. Select Other Privacy Settings. Turn off Send Diagnostic Data. Uncheck this option and press OK. You don't need to send your apps and phone usage data to third party or Samsung. Then select Customization Service. Let's continue. It says get customized content and recommendations based on your interests, location, and how you use your devices. Turn it off. Press Stop. Then go back. Tap Android System Intelligence. It says get suggestions based on the people, apps, and content you interact with. Tap Clear Data. Select All Time. Press Clear Data. Go back to Android System Intelligence again. Tap Keyboard. Turn off Smart Text Suggestion because it can read your messages. Based on your phone, you may have other options with the names of Android Personalization Service and Personal Data Intelligence. Make sure to check those areas for privacy leak as well. Furthermore, disable Location Service and Bluetooth if you are not using these services. You might also check app permissions and app settings, especially for apps like Maps and social media. Use a VPN for web browsing and remove suspicious or unauthorized apps from phone. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.